Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to obtain sponge blocks in Minecraft. Sponge blocks are incredibly useful for clearing large amounts of water quickly, making them essential for underwater builds or draining areas. Unlike many other blocks, you cannot craft sponges using a crafting table. Instead, you'll need to venture into the deep oceans to find them. We will cover exactly where to look and what to do once you get there. To begin your quest for sponges, you'll first need to locate an ocean monument. These massive underwater structures are found exclusively in deep ocean biomass. They are easily recognizable by their distinct prismarine block construction and their immense size. Exploring the vast oceans in a boat or with an aquatic mount like a dolphin can help you cover ground more quickly and spot these elusive structures. Once you've found an ocean monument, prepare for a challenge. Inside, you'll encounter 3 powerful Elder Guardians. Each Elder Guardian, when defeated, will drop exactly 1 wet sponge. These formidable foes inflict mining fatigue and other attacks, so come equipped with strong armor, weapons, and potions to ensure your success. Strategize your approach to take them down efficiently. After obtaining wet sponges, you'll need to dry them before they can be used to absorb water. There are 2 main methods for drying. The most common way is to place them in a furnace with any fuel source. They will dry into regular sponges. Alternatively, you can place wet sponges anywhere in the nether dimension, and they will instantly transform into dry sponges, ready for use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.